In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Luminar Neo app. Before we start, here's the key thing to know. Luminar Neo itself is primarily a desktop application for Windows and Mac. On Android, you won't be installing the full desktop program. Instead, you'll download the official mobile version called Luminar Photo Editor, which is created by the same company and brings many of the AI tools you're looking for in a streamlined mobile experience. To get it on your Android device, begin by opening the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Luminar Photo Editor. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the app published by Skylum. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you get the genuine version. Once you've found it, tap Install. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a little free space on your phone so the download completes smoothly. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. What you're getting here is the real Android version of Luminar with powerful AI features, including favorites like Enhance AI and Sky AI. The interface is designed for touch, so tools are easy to find and you can start editing photos from your gallery immediately. On first launch, the app may request permissions to access your photos. Granting those allows you to start editing without extra steps. Once you're in, explore any built-in tips or sample edits to get comfortable with the controls before diving into your own photos. Keep in mind, the Android app is a mobile companion, not the full desktop suite. You cannot install the complete desktop Luminar Neo on an Android phone or tablet. Even so, the mobile version is intentionally simplified to be fast and intuitive, while still packing impressive editing power for on-the-go adjustments and creative looks. Some advanced features, styles, or higher resolution export options may require a subscription or in-app purchase. If you're exploring for the first time, try the free tools to get a feel for the workflow. Then decide whether any paid options match your needs. If the app doesn't appear in search, double-check your spelling, ensure your Play Store is up to date, and confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account. A quick restart or freeing a bit of storage can also help complete the installation. That's all you need to download and open Luminar on Android. Enjoy experimenting with the AI tools and happy editing.